Right now, new this morning, tomorrow we have an impact day for severe weather across parts of the Carolinas. This is going to be from 6 o'clock in the morning all the way through noon, 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Wednesday. This is because of a line of thunderstorms moving through that could bring with it damaging winds, and maybe now we're even looking at a chance of maybe a tornado or two being issued out of this. So we'll talk about that here in just a few minutes. Let's walk you through it hour by hour. We're going to see temperatures warm up into the 70s tomorrow, near 71 in the afternoon. These thunderstorms should be out of our hair by about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. By 2 o'clock, we should see this move off the coast, and then we're going to see drier conditions move in. Our winds are going to be blowing out of the south very fast, 20 to 25 miles per hour, and could gust up to 30 miles per hour. And this isn't even including thunderstorm-related wind gusts, so even outside of the thunderstorm, it will still be breezy, and it will remain breezy today, tomorrow, and going into Thursday as well, all because of this cold front passing through. So bottom line, should we be panicking? The answer to that is no. At least you might be feeling uneasy because of this. Not really a full-blown panic, but if you're going to be sleeping through this early in the morning, you likely won't even know it happened. So taking a look at the timeline of this will be 8 o'clock in the morning. Notice we have a line now of heavy storms moving through the Midlands. This is going to be very early in the morning for the upstate, moving in through the Midlands mid-morning hours, say 7, 8 o'clock. This is going to impact your morning commute, and it will be waking you up if you're going to sleep in during this time. Then this storm system is going to move off to the coast by, say, 10, 11 o'clock in the morning to noon, and southeast North Carolina is going to get in on this as well, say late morning, early afternoon hours. And after the worst of it's over with, notice we're still going to deal with some of that light to moderate rainfall, so that's something else to watch out for. It's going to be a rainy day for most of the morning and early afternoon, and we might end up seeing a pretty nice evening take shape tomorrow evening. Our CAPE values, I've been mentioning this all week. This is going to be how much energy we have in the atmosphere, and anything above 1,000 is when you start to get concerned. It was looking a little bit concerning yesterday with some of these values getting close to 600 or 700. Now we're only seeing values less than 200, and so this really isn't going to be a high-end severe weather threat. But something I do want you to note is that the Storm Prediction Center out of Norman, Oklahoma has put our area, or at least the eastern part of the Carolinas, in an enhanced risk of severe weather. That's in this orange color. Usually we get under a slight risk, and then they will put us under an enhanced risk when they think there will be an elevated severe weather threat. The reason why this area has the highest chance of seeing severe weather, by the way, is because the bad weather is going to be moving in during the peak heating of the day when the storms have the most energy to work with. And then we have a slight risk of severe weather in the Midlands, only a marginal risk as you go into the upstate. And that's going to be the end of the severe weather going into Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. By the way, this outlook goes from about 6 a.m. Wednesday to 6 p.m. Wednesday evening. So tomorrow we get our thunderstorm day. Then we cool down a lot on Thursday to 60 degrees. Thursday night going into Friday will be in the 30s yet again. Friday is going to be 66. Saturday, we're back into 70s. This is going to be a pretty nice day on Saturday, but we do have a very, very small chance of showers, especially along the coast, Saturday night. So that's something to watch out for if you're heading out Saturday night. Sunday, it cools down a little bit, back to 63. And then look at next week, Monday and Tuesday of next week, we're back in the 70s, and it's looking like beyond this period, Tuesday and going into the following Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to see a period of temperatures in the 70s with sunny conditions as well, so that will be a nice time to get out there and enjoy it. That's next week, Monday going all the way through next Friday, the 10-day period. Lots to talk about here, of course, with the wildfires, severe weather, and then warming up going into next week, so please stay tuned with the latest forecast.